What's going on, guys? My name is Gavin, back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you my farm animals. So first, because I'm in the first one, hold on. I have goats, sheep, and ducks. Hey, Pop. Oh my god. I know.
This one looks some football type shit.
Hey, buddy. Then we got the ram.
Oh, he's good try, Rap.
Oscar.
He had a hard time getting up.
Hey.
Don't touch his hand. He'll run at you. Look, Gav. I like this guy.
I love him. Willie the worm.
Which one is it? This one that was born on my birthday, right? This one?
Yeah, this one was Burnham on your birthday.
Oh, again.
That one's cute.
Look, look. Yeah. She's mad I'm touching her baby.
Here. Here.
I just ran in my face.
Oscar. Hey, buddy.
Look, look. It's good time around. Ow! Ow!
She don't really like her horns touched.
Damn, this one wants to ram me because I'm petting their baby.
Here. Hey, come, buddy. What you doing? Oh, yeah.
This one will live.
How's it going, buddy? So cute. I love animals. I love goats. Oh my god, he's fast. Can't even catch up with my camera.
Oh, look how wonderful.
He's about to...
It's just shitting all over. You missed it. It's on camera, that.
Hey. Hey, buddy.
You're too big to play, bud.
Hey, come here. Willie, come here.
Damn.
How's it going, mama? How's it going, mama?
That's a girl?
No, it's a boy. I had to check. I love farm animals. Ow.
Damn, trying to buck the other one, you saw it? No, motherfucker, you're not there. She'll grab you when it ripped.
Ow. Willie. Willie. Hey, Willie, come here. Ooh, that's a good boy, Willie. That's a good Willie. Ooh. Come here.
Not in the face, no.
He's big whenever he gets picked up. Then we got the big boy right here. Hey, Oscar.
No, motherfucker, you're not waiting that day.
He's an old man. And he's trying to help me.
No, motherfucker, you're not.
Yo.
Try to bite me now. Go. I'm about to get ran by it, so I'm getting pissed.
What, the black one?
The white one.
Oh, the white one. Yeah, you better run.
Look at this one, he's trying to ran me.
No, because she's overprotected by her baby. Come here.
That one's her baby?
Yeah. That one's, I think... I don't know where that motherfucker came from.
Hey, stop it. That's my blanket, bitch. Look at that one.
He loves jumping on you. This goat right here, he loves jumping on you.
That one over there is mine.
That one over there, right
one's
there,
mine.
he loves eating hair and
Yeah,
biting
that
on
one's
pants.
mine right there. No.
This one loves to get revenge.
Gavin, he's jumping. Yeah, right in my shit. Watch how he's gonna go down and try to grab you right in your shit.
Who? Hey, yo, what? Whoa, bro, yo. Aw, here, come on. Come up, buddy, come here.
Don't bite me.
Ma. Bro, what are you doing? This goat's on X Games mode.
This one? Ah, damn!
No, this one right here.
Oh, you saw that?
He ran.
You saw that?
Yeah, this goat right here, the one that likes to get revenge, he ran right back past me and was kicking air.
You saw what she just did to me?
Yeah.
That hurt.
Hold on, no, I think that's her two babies. Here, come here.
Yeah, that is her two babies. Don't touch them, Gabby. She's gonna run at you.
Hold on, no. No, that's a boy. So, hold on. Hold on.
All the babies are not in.
Yeah, all the babies are out here. There's 1, 2, 3. Bro, they're so fast. What you doing, buddy? Hey, come here. Ma. Bro. Oh, bro, come here. Buddy. Look at him, he's so fluffy. Here, here. Come on, I'm trying to get you on video. Oh yeah, got chickens, got ducks, goats, sheeps, guinea hens. My popper is gonna get more. Oh, there we go. Close up. Hey, hey, buddy. He doesn't bite. My favorite goat is. Where's Oscar? Hey, Oscar. It's the black one that I was touching. Hey, Oscar. Hey. He will bite at you if you. Well, he doesn't really like his horns getting touched because then he'll think that you're threatening him. But he lets me touch him. These are huge. And he's only like two. No. He's like 8 months old. And look at these. Look at these. Hey. She doesn't like to get her horns touched, obviously. She's backing away. Then we got our rooster right there. I'm guessing some of this motherfucker's all up in here. I don't know if I should touch him or I think he might grab me. I ain't risking that. Fuck that. Man. Hey, come here. Come here. Come here. Don't shit on my hand, no.
Watch out, boy.
He keeps following me. Come here. Come here. Love you guys. Oscar. Here, one last pet. Come on.
Getting pictures?